For reading today, we are on week 3 of Scholastic Learn at Home. Scroll down to day 14. Our topic is animal science, specifically life cycles. Our fiction story is called The Caterpillar and the Pollywog by Jack Kent. And our nonfiction book is A Tadpole Grows Up by Pam Zollman. When you are done pressing on Take Me There and doing the activities and reading the books, you can come back and watch this video from Tadpole to Frog, or do this activity, which is a drawing activity called As I Grow Up. So first you're going to press Take Me There. And you can watch the story, The Caterpillar and the Pollywog, press here or here. You can read the book, A Tadpole Grows Up, press here or here. You can do the activities under Puzzlers, word match, fact or fiction, which came first, and you can dive deeper by exploring the web or meeting the creators. When you're done, make sure to log into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes, and then do your phonics assignment and turn it in. When you're done with that, you can practice your reading at home or on Epic Books.